Welcome to our showcase of essential camping gear. First up is the outdoor foldable mobile kitchen. This ingenious solution offers a spacious countertop, ample storage, and an easy-to-assemble design, making your outdoor cooking experience a breeze. Elevate your campsite with this game-changing mobile kitchen. This gas stove is a compact and convenient addition to your camping setup. With its quick ignition and lightweight design, you'll have hot meals in no time, even on the go. Next, feast your eyes on this camping grill. This sleek, smokeless grill is perfect for outdoor cooking without the fuss of smoke and fumes. Enjoy your favorite grill dishes while preserving the pristine nature of your campsite. Enhance your outdoor cooking game with this foldable grill. This versatile, easy-to-transport grill can be assembled in seconds, providing a sturdy platform for all your grilling needs. This camping stove set with cookware is a compact and efficient cookware solution. Cook, boil, and fry easily, making your camping meals a delight. Don't forget to stay hydrated. The camping water container with faucet holds plenty of water for your camping needs, ensuring you're always prepared. The built-in faucet makes dispensing water convenient and mess-free. Finally, take a load off with this foldable stool. This lightweight, durable stool is the perfect companion for all your camping escapades, providing comfort and convenience wherever you go.